Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to search for files with Flow Launcher step by step. If you're tired of browsing through folders or waiting for Windows Search to find your documents, Flow Launcher offers a much faster way to locate files on your computer. So let's get started. First, make sure Flow Launcher is installed and running on your Windows PC. Open it using the default keyboard shortcut, which is usually Alt and Space. Once the search box appears, you're ready to begin searching. Next, type the name or part of the name of the file you're looking for. As you type, Flow Launcher will instantly search and display matching results from your index locations. Yeah, you don't have to type the complete file name because the results update in real time. When you find the file you want, use the up and down arrow keys to highlight it, then press Enter to open the file with its default application. You can also use the available action menu to open the file's location, copy its path, or perform other supported actions, depending on your installed plugins. If your file doesn't appear in the results, check that the folder is included in Flow Launcher's search settings, or make sure Windows indexing is enabled for that location. Updating the search index can also help newly added files appear more quickly. Once everything is configured, searching for files becomes much faster than manually opening folders, helping you save time and stay productive throughout the day. And that's it. You now know how to search for files with Flow Launcher quickly and efficiently. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.